Hello students, welcome to Mathopedia, class 12, exercise 6.2, question number 5. Find the altitude of the parallelepiped. So we have to find the height h of the parallelepiped. Three vectors, a vector, b vector and c vector is given. Also it's given the base is taken as the parallelogram determined by b vector and c vector. We know that the volume of the parallelepiped is equal to its base area into height. So volume of the parallelepiped is modulus box product ABC that is equal to base area. See here, it's given the base is taken as the parallelogram determined by B vector and C vector. So what is the area of a parallelogram? Modulus B vector cross C vector. So this is the base area into height h. Therefore h is equal to modulus box product ABC divided by modulus B cross C. Okay. So now first we will find the volume of parallelepiped. So three vectors, A vector, B vector and C vector are given. So box product of A vector, B vector, C vector is equal to determinant of coefficients of ij and k vector. So -2, 5, 3, then 1, 3, -2, then -3, 1, 4. Now we expand this determinant. So -2 into 4 is 12, minus 1 into -2, so +2. Minus second term 5 into 1 4 is 4, minus -3 into -2, +6, plus 3 into 1, minus -3 into 3, -9, so becomes +9. So this is -2 into 12 plus 2 is 14, minus 5 into -2 plus 3 into 10. So this is -28 plus 10 plus 30. So that is equal to -28 plus 40, so plus 12. So therefore, volume of the parallelepiped, that is modulus box product ABC, is equal to modulus of 12, that is 12. We have found the volume of the parallelepiped. Now we will find the base area modulus B cross C. So B cross C is equal to determinant I vector, J vector, K vector, then the coefficients of B vector and C vector, that is 1 3 -2 -3 1 4, 1 3 -2 -3 1 4. Now expand this determinant. So this is equal to I vector into 12 minus of -2, so +2, minus J vector into 4 minus 6 plus K vector into 1 plus 9. So this is equal to 14 I vector 4 minus 6 minus 2 into minus of plus 2 j vector plus 10 k vector. Therefore, modulus of b vector cross c vector is equal to square root of the coefficient of I. So 14 square plus coefficient of j 2 square plus coefficient of k 10 square. So this is equal to square root of 14 14s are 196 plus 4 plus 100. So this is equal to square root of 300 equal to 100 into 3. So 10 root 3. Therefore, height h is equal to volume divided by base area. So volume of the parallelepiped we got 12 and base area we got 10 root 3. So h is equal to 12 divided by 10 root 3. So this is equal to cancelling 2 table. So 6 by 5 root 3 is equal to 6 by 5 root 3 multiply and divide with root 3. So that is equal to 6 root 3 by 5 into 3. Now cancel this 3 and 6. So that is equal to 2 root 3 by 5. So this is the required answer.